This year, the OnePlus company might launch the limited edition OnePlus 6 with Avengers Infinity War theme. On the 3rd of April, OnePlus India's official Facebook page shared a YouTube video with OnePlus and Avengers logo. Just like the Star Wars edition, the company might launch the Avengers Infinity War edition OnePlus 6 on the day of the premiere. The OnePlus 6 Avengers edition will cost a bit more than the standard edition, which might also include Avengers-themed accessories. A recent leak also confirmed that the entry-level OnePlus 6 will launch in India at a price of 34,000 Indian rupee. Similarly, the high-end variant with 8GB RAM and 256GB storage can cost up to 40,000 Indian rupee. The smartphone will have a 6.28-inch LED display with Full HD plus 2280 by 1080px resolution. The phone will have 19:9 aspect ratio with the iPhone X style notch on the top. However, unlike the iPhone X, there is no 3D facial recognition. Instead, the face unlock will be achieved by a front-facing camera. The OnePlus 6 will have a 3.5mm headphone jack. Under the hood, the device will have the Qualcomm Snapdragon 845 octa-core chipset with 6GB RAM and 128GB storage. Going by the previous leak, there might be a model with 8GB RAM and 256